Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets. Stay with us. Yes, yellow green color. Kids, the next one is pastel pink color. Wow, so many colors. Geranium color. The next one is scarlet color. Yes, forest green color. The next one is Persian blue color. Stay with us. Wow, pale pink color. Kids, the next one is vivid purple color. Wow, stay with us. Cream color. And the next one is light violet color, pale blue light color. The next one is yellow color, and the last one is raw silk color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, and the last one is R. Raw silk color. First we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, B for ball, C for cow, C for cat, D for dog, D for doll, E, F, F for fish, F for fan. Wow. Baby blue color. Wow. G for God, G for gorilla, H for hand, and the next one is I for ice, I for ice cream. The next one is J for jackfruit, K for kite. The next one is L, scarlet color, M for moon, M for mango, N for nose, N for nest, O for octopus, P for penguin. The next one is Q, and the last one is R for rose, R for rice. Thank you so much for watching.